got all my measurement done, basically got a cut list, got the first piece in, ready to go, will not be same, about 3 inches, so there. Also do this on the side, other side too, replicate it, so we've got that there, and then we're probably going to go one, like head diagonal, there. So I just made sure it's square. Don't worry about the bit on the end. I just wanted to make sure this one's set. We'll see what the screws that I have are Spax exterior deck screws technically. Now they're 3 1/4 inch. It says it comes with a bit, but I can't find the bit in the packet. And it also says you don't need to pre-drill. No splitting with these screws, but I did pre-drill. Well, that's handy. They come with this little Spax bit that was in there, which is buried at the bottom, and that just slots right into my drill. Quick connector in there. So we'll go and screw these 2 bits together. For the back, and we'll have 2 H frames that I can then connect together and start putting this up. So update, it's now dark outside, a little bit poor lighting in here, but 2 H frames are made, and then the crossbeam along the top, it was cut up, so all I just need to do is just measure and put that on. Just need to screw that in, do the same for the top, and then I can connect them together. So attach both the top supports. I've cut these kind of braces from side or from front to back that are going to go at the ends. I've got 2 here marked up for the bottom, and I need to cut up another couple. These are going to be 22 inches, so that's going to allow a deck of 22 inches. The pile of wood that we already have, it's actually 16 inches long. I think that's just standard with firewood, so giving ourselves a few extra inches either side, and we can push it back. We're not sure where it's going to be positioned yet, so we want to keep it dry. So yep, I'll get these cut up, mark up another 2, get it on, and we should have the frame up, which will be great. And we have it up. It's secured at the bottom. It's not quite straight yet. I need to put some beams up top, or supports from front to back. There we go, this will be the front. We have the cladding ready to go on. We've just put one on right here. This is just over 1/2 inch by 4.5 inches. This is recycled as well, or reclaimed, however you want to put it. So we're just going to measure from front to back. It's just over 2 feet. All the way down. We'll leave a little gap in between. It's here. I'm just using another block as a spacer. We're going to go all the way along the back. A little block down here to space them out. So that. Go next one, mark it off, and I can put the next board on. So the second side almost finished. I just thought I'd wear that. I'm actually recycling nails. I know it's not the best thing, but this is just for holding this cladding on the outside. They're what, 1.5 inches or so. This side's done. The back is now done, and then this side over here, it's finished. Took a little bit longer denailing, but hey, it's done. It's looking great. And there we have it, all together, ready to go. For the roof, came with this little mechanism here. So what is a little block with the same angle as the support post, down about 1/2 inch for this board here, and I'm going to put about 4, maybe 5 of these along here. This one here, and that will go like that. And that's going to support the aluminum roof that's going on this. I think that'll be strong enough, so I'm going to get the rest of them on and I'll show you how it looks once it's done. So the entire storage rack is together now. We just need to paint it and get the roof on. The roof's already cut to size, so just putting the roof on here. We actually have some aluminum composite here. It's in a faux zinc finish, kind of good to pick up on the camera. We'll see kind of there. So I'm going to put this up. I've actually marked it up. I've got about 8 inches here, so I'm going to have a 4.5 inch overhang on the back over here. I'm going to do 3 pieces. There's going to be about 1/2 inch overhang on either side. So I'm going to get this on and put the other 2 on, and we'll see how it looks from there. I think the contrast and the colour, I think it's going to look really good. There we have it. All 3 panels are on. I think it looks great. Well guys, there we have it. Firewood storage rack is complete. Looks great. Got the roof